Hi guys, come with me. Let me take you through the journey of how we were able to do my artificial microblading. We did it with Lali. So relax and enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you at the end of the video. Hey guys, if you are just coming to my channel for the very first time, you are very much welcome. I am Lala Peace Corner, and if you are my returning subscribers, you are my real MVP. Thank you guys for always returning back, and I love you guys so much. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Like this video, share this video, comment, tell me your opinion in the comment section. Tell me if you are going to be trying out this, tell me if you're not going to be trying it out, and just let me know if I tried in achieving this, if I tried. So, and lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you'll be getting arts tutorials in this channel. And guys, I will see you at the end. filling my brows with the lally. I mixed it together, then I'm already filling it, and here I'm using my cotton bud to give it a nice and thorough shape, so that will not be having anyone scattered, maybe down or up. So that's why I'm using the cotton bud for, to clean it sharp. So I'm already filling in the second one, and yeah, I've already clean it first before, because when you clean it, it's going to, those thick parts will first of all leave. I already cleaned this, so this was when I got home, and I decided to show you guys, because I didn't record the first one when I cleaned. So this was the second time I'm cleaning it. So guys, nothing came out, and then this is the final look. I hope to see you on my next one. Please like, share, comment, and lastly, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.